Hey guys, today I'm incredibly excited to show you the useful app MyPostcard, the all-new app that allows you to send cards to friends and family faster and more easily. With MyPostcard, you can choose from a wide variety of fun and colorful cards for every occasion, and even customize them to your liking with text, photos, and even music and voice messages. Explore the many great features of MyPostcard in this sponsored video and discover how you can completely change the way you send cards to loved ones with this incredible app. You can download MyPostcard today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. All right, let's take a closer look. One of the best new features of this app is the diverse collection of cards and features it has to offer. Available in 10 languages and including over 20,000 card designs, MyPostcard is the largest postcard producer worldwide and is bound to have something for everyone. From holidays, birthdays, and even get well cards, MyPostcard has every type of card you need on demand all the time. Once you find a card you'd like to purchase, select the format you'd like to send it as. You can choose from postcards, greeting cards, or even audio cards, which are exclusive to MyPostcard. You'll also be able to customize your card with the in-app editor, which will allow you to add text, stickers, and filters to your card. With the audio card, you can even record a 60-second voice message to be included in the card or add a bit of music. With so many options, MyPostcard has the biggest and best collection of card types and formats and is bound to make sending cards so much easier and more fun. Another super helpful aspect of MyPostcard is the address book. Using tools like WhatsApp or your contact list, you can sync addresses of people you want to send cards to with the app's address book, meaning you can also send cards to more than one recipient at once. If you don't know your recipient's address, you can send a secure message to them, which will request their address. Excluding weekends, each card you purchase will be printed and handed over to the post within 24 hours. So you can be sure that your card will be sent as soon as possible. If you want to purchase cards ahead of time, you can schedule cards to be printed and shipped on a specific date, anywhere up to a year in advance. So you can prepare cards for any occasion at any time. With so many valuable uses, MyPostcard gives users the best experience and is bound to be your new favorite app. MyPostcard is a unique, fun, and useful new app that allows users to send cards like never before. With so many beautifully designed cards that you can customize however you like, you can take care of sending cards to friends and family, all with the simple push of a button. Be sure not to miss out on this incredible app and download MyPostcard today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Enjoy.